How does Connecticut's wrongful death statute section 52 to 555 work in fatal car accident cases? When a loved one dies in a car crash caused by someone else's negligence, Connecticut law provides a specific legal pathway to hold the at-fault party accountable for the devastating loss. Connecticut's wrongful death statute, Conn, General Stat, section 52 to 555, allows the estate of a person killed in a car accident to pursue damages against the driver or party responsible for causing the crash. Unlike many legal claims, Connecticut does not recognize a common law wrongful death right, meaning the legislature created this cause of action and its requirements must be followed precisely. Only the court-appointed executor or administrator of the deceased person's estate holds the legal authority to file a wrongful death claim, not the surviving spouse, parents, or adult children in their own names. The claim must generally be brought within 2 years of the date of death and, in most circumstances, no later than 5 years after the act or omission that caused the fatal accident. To prevail, the estate must prove that the other driver failed to exercise reasonable care and that this breach was a direct cause of the death, applying the same negligence principles used in any personal injury case. Connecticut's statute allows the estate to recover what the law calls just damages, which can include the decedent's lost earning capacity, adjusted to present value, as well as medical, hospital, nursing, and funeral expenses. The estate may also seek compensation for the decedent's conscious pain and suffering experienced between the crash and the moment of death, along with damages for the loss of life's enjoyment. In cases where the at-fault driver deliberately or with reckless disregard violated a specific traffic statute, Connecticut law under Section 14 to 295 may allow the court or jury to award double or even triple damages. A surviving spouse can pursue a separate loss of consortium claim under Section 52555A, covering the loss of companionship, affection, and the marital relationship, with damages determined independently from the estate's recovery. The executor or administrator serves as a fiduciary throughout the process, managing the litigation, gathering critical evidence like tax returns and medical records, and seeking probate court approval when settling the claim. Since 2004, Attorney Dan Petroskey has represented families and estate representatives in serious and fatal motor vehicle cases throughout Connecticut, guiding them through both the litigation and estate-related procedures that accompany these claims. The law firm of DeFronzo and Petroskey, PC, works closely with estate representatives to investigate liability, preserve evidence, and identify every available source of compensation after a fatal car accident. If you lost a loved one in a fatal crash, contact DeFronzo and Petroskey, PC, located at 255 Bank Street, #2B, Waterbury, Connecticut 06702, United States, by calling 203-756-7408 to schedule your free consultation today.